Borom Grangjuk EM Mocangjuk Dolly Riangno Bo Sai Khanarinai The Resurgence of Indigenous Tiprasa through Thansa Abunuti
Jotonono Fuai Kaham Trek Baki Barota Basazala So Infimayako Puilawo Tini 16 tarik 7 Mas 2023 Tipra Motha Chaimoni Satai 26 Mas Tao Choleha Bonim Sio Regional Party ni Prothom Bar Tripura Region History yo Plenary Session Ungo Auma Pandawo Bo Tiprasa Thang Anmani Kau Chalai Mo Bo Pandani Dai Swatu Tungnai Sini Sobapoti Bromnang Sini Bikesar Abin ke Ayu Monindroriang Sini Honorable Ex-Minister Sini Bubagra LOP All Executive Members CM Ex-Ministers and MLAs Abin ke Sini Aini colleague MDCs Joto Chin TWF ni Warriors YTF ni Warriors TISF Joto no Sini second session Bo Pandawalam Soye Aini kapang kakjamaya paye ano bai sormila sawo 10 minit se kau masanai ke 10 minit sio ang 5 minit sasinai aini topic hekma plenary ortho se puila plenary manekma chung football ba cricket je kuno competition thanai ke puila chini within the team chini plan now spole goalkeeper onai spoke defense tongnai spoke bale mangle team asu side spoke bale yathei tau nai spoke bala wicket the hik mark my abudi ma toy namle planning system that is called planning by plenary amboya chung to 11 zona ya we are lakhs of lakhs tiprasa bono tuya zona ke chini session nango abuni ma pandamo tini ai ni topic hekma resurgence of indigenous people through Thansa ba Thangha bo unity o tipramo thani activities by shortcut santhang ke Tipra Motha ni Thangha bo ideology o Tipra joni Tipra sarao bo Tipra Motha platform o msa jona NGO fu jini participant tong ADC election fu msa participant tong ta Bidhan Sabha paye ba Bidhan Sabha ji jini performance ni mutabek wo jini Tipra Motha ni support aram sa bang abuno san mase amo pandawang pu computer ya ba computer ya pandaw pa record exact figure lang sia arfo ai ni bo 26 mas ni experience wo jiang manu abon sang samchu ake Maharashtra to busy talking angke tinio chini uttor side be tongnai bro ang to damsara ni uttor side be tongnai bro ke chini baye medical facility ong to education facility ong to chin baye close saring ke bukti chu mathang chu silchar mathang hoi Karimganj mathang Sini Tripura joni phose bro jaga thang chung magunda mathang for medical treatment ake bukti ke chin baya distance close aro jaga na chung mathang an baya ang to gorib sa ang to bene Mumbai Kolkata bau foreign ro thang pore jama yang ke ai education background silchar jaro no pai jaka abo pandawang silchar tunge pore ha 96 tio 2000 jara ang asam tunge toye pore wo abo bayang TSF ikna ha apong TSF bo ya prepare ha point life wo ein student jibon ang matang biya Tuesday si knahar pang abo si asubini kahini ba breke performance ke abong sibia college por fuang NGO samutau binim sabai pa nagara ono support keo dimasa student support kya abin keta samo khasi student ono support kye silcharo 100 moyo 2009 no jokhon Mizoram 1997 no chini bru ro no district council saime chi bruro Mizoram habo district council ma saimo ni ke ha karone maike abo jaga wo betik discrimination choleo nung rojile chini ha se ro achai ro na ras khe tunai ro thang tunai ke government facility la nai ke chini mung ba ke no ma soinai abo bandon na wo tao naidi chini bro ro Mizoram ni first kam ni phaine ro e kali Tripura jono bro ma sio lalvia thangi ma trek ma pui ma sio aro riang suiro ya brui suirak mami thet male jo to krimle kine thet ma krimoni wa pandawa thang tole naw government ni facility avail khena pandawa bai dota do phano haya phono aba jaga bro suppress nge ma tongo inke bro sajeman bubagra samar ke kriye sabsule tongnai nije hasa ko thang to pandawa na salhale khorang toi sadi thoike thoya thangke thanga apo sasani mai thena chung dabi ma ke nai Himo dekhiye Mizoram Timbru tonar po khorang tui salai jaha kintu bad luck khorang tui sai phono brole ko baha dormo bu thanga aro kono Hindu kroi joto se Christian slai bu tong open brown ba ye sorkha bu browni dofa bu browni dormo bu browni ari tui ku mai kau di ke ba kau sing bro pa makai jaha dabi kapno success ya second time of year 2009 bung tramo jarjukima 18 years old boys kamno ke ha miscreen criminals pobaha sia bung thang kau thai ko ha bung kau ha kau ya bo jaga bo do samaya riang ro 2009 no inke bo jaga bo riang ro do samaye second time 2009 no ke chi bro no has kamni no sauye rukhle pia afong third year pore to my god tini ang po ekjon bo level sobai to ke ang part of a community ani do phani ro khani ba pandale ang problem solve khemaya phono ani kau te samai ni odikar to go hiya Aini tinio ti pramothano 99% aini abafu ni songgothon afo Bruce student ang vice presidential charo afo aini yudon joto chung pala ke organize khiye all Assam tribal songo Dimasa all Assam Dimasa student union all Assam Khasi student union brau joto Naga student union na khruye chung whole Assam bo Silchar district koloriye whole day deputy commissioner thiye chung deputation riye afu congress ni amol abarke chung kheha arphono memorandum jomari poje khepono kintu violence le stop tha ar poje 1997 chio chi bro sling play to motri raijowo abo kintu solve khemaya aboni ba pandawo mi ani je clip video clip chungnu ha Maharashtra ni intervention Maharashtra ni performance Maharashtra ni dopan saka hamya mong aboni ba pandawo tini ang doliri 2009 fight kha as a student hisabe jotono to ye arfo abo problem I could not solve tini Maharashtra production ni netritwe bini leadership by Tripurai Jawo eto 25 bosor 23 bosor sling klaya tomo they got the chance to breathe in they got the chance to survive the Bru people in Tripurai Jawo from Mizoram ni phainero they got the identity with respect because of Maharashtra aboni baye aini salam aini klumong Maharashtra ni sakau tongnai ang abo je I am Christian ang thoika ang to hako they will bury me obviously ang hako thampu joba yes Maharashtra aini Bruno abo phok nang ha abola inti tongnai aboni pandawo Maharashtra no second time hambai aboni ba pandawo ti pramod has taught me many things ang 2010 no jokon Tripura paipo Assam ni Bangla bai Tripuran Bangla solaya kaita de saita de samang wasu Bangla mayam chia ang oboi nogor chinu das in obarato enka bai minoti debon masoi malai jaka brom sara tuition fru abke chole je mai chalai photo oi monai tharuk tui dei morang chia nai sama tong kamlang chai tamo tharuk angke to phai kho se hiyo aboke sale ko to ai mane ang sane moke bo jokhon chung community chung palkhe tong ya hinke chinim khabo ala dong yetho mkoi bai jokhon chal thangke khapang bai chal nai jung jokhon palkhe tong nai mkoi bai lu lai nai khapang bo palong nai do phamaya chalai nai chuba chu phai nai yomong phai nai apo se freedom mai nai aboni bawe tinio abo chini Christian ni Bible ni gan ro song ro tong ang khna na yo asil abo ke ha gan tong tau pau tong ka am jila maya mar za mu ham jila maya kitu tau khna te am ji mai ha abo ro pandawo chini mind open one nawo broad mind one nang nai let us be flexible chung consider ma khnai tre ke chung ma let us not only look the black part of a person chung bini character hamya manota se tatu ke de Suppose that for example by Monihar masane just for example by Tajoli do just example udaharan Monihar bahai sible don't never look that what Monihar has contributed in that Tiprasa Monihar deborma Tiprasa etamo khaika bini good points no se chung count ma khenai abong ka che chini dol rak nai aboni pandawo chinio ang open up ang Tiprasa phaika bo platform mai ka very prestigious platform ang bono sonman re tini ang tipramota join khemon karono bangmai tipra taku jebu bang jibono malaika kau salaika tinim chileha maya chalaika tipramota has given many things tipramota Maharashtra has taught us how to love irrespective of all community irrespective of all religion every section of community whether black or white or msikhana de sitra de jotto everyone is welcome on this stage everyone is welcome everyone is inclusive in tipramota aboni ba pandawo tini bo tipramota bo emon jaga angno hamya mung breke hamya nai abo jinis tawno phungha tini tre ke ha kau ang masanai ang to asamot maximum time ang tungye to haba asi sondangga khrale khnaka apo we have never experienced angle asi sondangga la che ko ang 84 a chayo inke tawojang kaijak phaye tipramotha che o asi sondang haing kha joto khna abon bayek maong bikerangkol sarno bikerangkol angse Bijoy Kumar rangkol nikhna bah Bijoy rangkol Kumar le Blongbrook ni top spo Blongbrook ni top Bijoy Kumar rangkol is very dangerous. He's a militants underground naro jara students sikito nang bro no po kidnap khetna o now hostel mane school ta practically now no wata phaidi ai babu so ama samu sao who does not love their kids now host shooting po hostel tongdi bikerang ko soni dol khna ke bro no sasule khakmai nale blot na o are really ake sao kintu in practical abuk mane ang san nai mi pho jinis no never believe. What is for without proof, we should never consider that is truth. Abol pandawo tinio, I am proudly, with due respect, but I am sharing the dice with my sir Bikerang Hall, where he has not kidnapped me. Bono kidnap khiable, abon boye beni ko be pho himojinistano sung khane ya. Boy plus ang tini pati bono sannayo, je tin imsiyo. Phonala haise, doknale haise, hima ba haise no jipono taka thudi. Kehani pisonio backbiting abo jibono chungkhe nai ya ambai ang phainai abo Maharashtra sawo auto politically experience ya my political experience in this is the first time and this is 26 months old abo pandawo I have no idea much about politics but in politics there are sweet as well as bitter part also politics so khabo tongo toi part bo tongo both we have to taste abo pandawo ti pramotha jokon NGO start noi to po Corona ni somoyo sakhe chung door to door chini ata osiram song sukobasi babu song mongol jomatia song bangma chung poncho sadon jomatia song brole phaise phaite ya puila abor ke chung movement khailaka din salsa ang silja pore ang asam to puke numbro ni phai ka angle tripura raja hani imasao raja hani ke joto siu that means tripura jobre ke sia phatane brok bai raja ni ha hiesnia o den chi ha Tripura ni identity ke mais niya raja ni ha amai chung joto raja ni sa raja ni bongso boro ni brok no chung abo no chini porichoy abo pandawo chung abor ke samong tanglai ye chini ataro siram song chini Ranjit Sarni bobini khas bokto brok TYPC ni movement no ang pho bungbai palse ang pho join kha raja hani brok doliriang kintu I have never seen who is raja ang jibono nuya ko. Then one day, 15th of February 2022, 2020 15 February, Maharashtra ni Rajbari prothom barai jibonu o. Phaiklai lekha, gari auto kuha reserve lakha, aro chung sabo jomatia tong riang tong kebo chung singlai ya. Masai garo gari no chini introduction ka. Abono thansa. Phailai Rajbari nuka, apu se prothom bara janan o. Apu ang sports po malaika, Ranjit Devarma sarbai malaika, chini EM Onanto Babu malaika, Bishu Devamai malaika, Broinim Sigas boy malaika, Mirami riang bai. Dini ahano Mirami, je jaga potong to angkau buina masanai. Amo pandawo, no di pramatati inti WT welfare of Haidinu no bokabo bo station tong ye. Abo rike malaye Tripura ijoni jotoni. Maharashtra na khurei ma bro, di pramothani warrior hisabe protom NGO Sara Tripura ni bro no invite kya. Apo chung only maybe we were 53 around. Gap wo chinim sio Maharashtra no question khaileka brefu kai jaknai nai Ranjit Sano sunia da sungleka kanchampur bro do enke masabro ke high pressure ye fit in kapo then I asked Maharaj now ta ubanu CAB ni andolon khai tungo CAB ni andolon pai khini ni nahi mung tamo ang bono sungka then Maharaj anok masa besides CAB doli CAB is also a part of CAB ke ha andolon ma Nauni tiprasano ro tipraijo nauni ha ro nauni trewaisa sonman babeo nauni style ni ba panda nauni identity ba nauni survival ba nase aini bo CAB bu kasamo aini next step bono tongnai nauni sonman den mani nauni odika lo somono trewa phero no ya phai khina ma panase abo saini future ni andolon Maharashtra ha abo yeno ang kha kaye aini only question no Maharashtra pu answer yo e borek mangkha ang Onimesh Devarma taujini bromna elopino jibonun uya ko khibok nayako Epore Rajbari phailai jaka beano so abochi ni XML Onimesh Deva ang sa chubaila ni khemose potam ke corona create bo chubaila yano khrum khare ke tao khnayang ko khnayang to ka bo kya khrum ka pa MLA ung thang ke tolli dang ka hai ki sible ko yak sa chu bai lali mo ja malaya doa ko he dosar he ham bai buna bu chuma thang layo kintu abor ke salary buno din sa sa ni constituency bu chin jaga bu bunot na bokti taro rekha chung silai kha ingkha abor yeno jokhon chini 5 tarik February 2021 oke Maharashtra ni Malanchini baso chini Tripura motha poila party ungya chayo ardaria na moido de to 5 tarik February 2021 Malanchini bas no khlawo Maharashtra ke satung tolawa sakokotor ke tola chuk tingya de apuno poila chin Tripura motha NGO party ong thangkha abo pandawo abo NGO ni chi movement bai party jokhon po ta sa chini poriborton umwang nukha ingke jokhon party ung phuke sini bro aste aste ta sa strang phaika o NGO to NGO chakri bu maya bokri bu maya aboi tam khaine ba parliament thambo kau samaya ke o delhi thambo kau samaya ke jokhon party buke tru phailai sapaika ingke abor ke chunu en uye jokhon party umpai poriwo edisini nirbachone sampa buke kmangkha Maharaj if you permit me little I want to say jokhon aini experience ma sanai nirbachon jokhon ani buke aro omorpuro spono rilainai hogra ro propose ke doli riang no ride broino bu chance re nau chini ronjit sa doli no ride chini LOP bungsa doli no ride ano sa doli don't poke your nose here and there LOP ano sa po chini brom no ni manik ma beni jaga hai po he babata sadi ni jaga nung brotong aro dian re nung samong tang di heno sa abori khoye mungsa karono Maharaj bang kichu ta tax khaileka ani bed luck ani ticket cancel ung ye thangka cancel thangka chini dol raw te baisa phaithani Maharaj no khoma saini phailai pika rajbario phaika phailaye apuke mangthangka sungbai patal koinan dol elai soneng thangka ong tha nem phuke Maharaj anosa doli go now you go speak to patal ni sao hai ang to patal ni timya why should I speak to patal ang Maharaj no saga Maharaj ya sambre ye kamsilek phu chungi tong o duitala sakawa engkang saka Maharaj nung Tripura jo achai phaimole nung bibu kumari bai kirit bikramchin Maharaj ni boh wo ang Tripura jo na hai rajang na hinu achai miako God has sent you with a purpose iso nung no Tripura jo Tripura sanim sio ke har raja hinu no hoimo there must be a reason and there must be a purpose abar pandawo nu tinio toino pohor khemayo hono bunu toi khemayo nu patal koina je jago chandini riang no hoika aro jaga chuse klom toi khoye broibe klabai chu hotria sa chung fil khema jago mangbai patal koina dora than nang nai ai ne abosu satma ki odir ka kroi abo pandawa abar ke salaye chung aro jago kuna kun muha karono isor ja kore mongol jono kore isor je khemo kahani ba sengki ba patal koina ni krai thangka ulo ikhe ang no ria phika abur ke chung hilaye ronjit sarbo ang no continuously guide kheka bo last dino je dino bud unye counting fu ba no sa doli nini certificate ro nu to pai nai nini certificate ro nini kamsen sing da to di do unye ke boi plak sa nini certificate no lai chi khor nai se bono guide ke mphai ni hisabe ang no onek ronjit sarbo guide kheka abon ba ye I need heartfelt gratitude to Ronjit Sano Hambai Mario Sin LOP Sahib no Hambai Mario Maharaj no platform rimon ba ye Maharaj has groomed me up Maharaj ano tui sakha politics only what is the taste of politics both kahamai kukhoi in share politics ni taste no ano Maharaj frungka ano taste kherika abo mayai ni te wa salam inke politics o ang sawo somoy yo bai sindu koina bai ang proimang noi pasung ke khuk khusi anand boto experience both politics o hi jong tungmani horbo je chongmori chakhe raja chacha ang je chong tini ang rangja kola imo thuye sopnon khamai ke ang kuti potung nai ang maya chongmori chakhe raja cha heo chongmori no jibono chaya onek somoy chaya dormo kaijo 100 bata heo abo bai sindu pasung maya ang kuno mote pasung jakha er pore na wai su enai de chung 18 jona phaika noni bisas samobai Tripura motha 18 jona edisio phaine kebo bai sokmaya apule chung blindly tao jara tir thungnai rao bo number no sure tir nangna hi chongni chongmaya arphono keha bisas bai tir chung kaulayo ne tir tayo habodoi no apu somoy onek bro jini kormachari phongtho bisese kormachari khikro nu ke bus amkhro hoyo umkhro nu ke khikro hoyo abke kormachari bo ungo baksa chimbro bo ungkha কিন্তু যখন চুং সাইলেন্ট বুট সাবুকে বাংও যখন চুং Tripura motha 18 jona phaipe pore ke chimbro toisho ye phaye Maharaj ni performance ti pramothani performance nu sini brok toi todo ki toi phai ha bonim siyo abar ko bonim siyo jokhon jung administration of phaike বিশেষ ke claro 17 of them men and are only single a woman now why should I do I be so no why should I do claro 17 jona ang sang chu broi aro wo ano IBI bilum nai kai ja ya sabato Rajesh Babu Suhel Debojit boro sa ano IBI hilum ye ador ke to te bar bagi joto kai ja mane ang sanai make bosi social media podi rok sawo hina aria so politics of phaike club ai brifo palma kanai club ai broi eksomi hok chupong nai tini ang phonamma ang dai phainai mopo dai phaime phongnai tinim saino sanai ang nil tinta so phainai ang so phaime phongnai kintu lot of cooperation understanding bi dim sainim siapu ma tongnai chinim siapu ma tongnai kintu je 17 jona men ang only women info I always receive love and respect cooperation sini team nim sia ang colleague nim sia ba ang support ma ha ang aya ai ni colleague rono ba hambai chinim sia onek some bro ba waile sulai to tungono afa bisut abo chung khawa to ne ya waile sulai mono it is past let us look for the future you can turn your back only one foot I can turn but if you look forward future no inke miles and miles until your eyes go to the end of the side asu jora ni future to chini bobishot to amo pandawo chini imsiyo ke ha platform ke ha party no tuinang thanai ke chung bet thake jrom seimo nangnai patience nangnai respect nangnai discipline nangnai ake maharaj sawo party structure be khong ane nangnai ang to party experience hu ya chini LOP so BK sir so onek experience bo atoi nang khumung ya payo Raja Maharaj 7 bosong buti bong andolon phaimane tini Maharaj 45 years ongka brown ang khlumo ya payo browni tuluna keke chungle just buchloi siko chumblai phasa chaya ko amo pandawo atoi sona hambai mario chini chairperson sono political structure ke break onai khang jasam chumo enke it should be a pyramid system head was sabotongnai party ni chairman below sabotongnai committee party president then secretary or vice president aborke that should be in a pyramid system treke ha sumo ke kma aborke no systematic phaina nai party ni rule and regulation party ni constitution ni mutabego sini party choli ha singke sini party ding clock ke thangwana asa kheo apuni pandawo treke ha sumo ke bose chung hogra pod rike khaksa buak ka ungphono ta koni kai khaksa buak ka ungphono ang yemung khablena nara no yo sisu yang ang no leaders naka buak ka hibono ang no manson mari ni nangnai ang no ya ai ni pod no SLOP is to say abo pot no chung man somari le nang nai chung ko khna le nang nai abo ka se pati le rak nai jemon ta TW phong to ko ni kok ba khaksa khunju kakak no chung ri ri phono hai abo phona bu ma sible abo sija takar jolan si abo no man somari abo ya bini se no se chung respect mar nai abo ka se chung future chini ham nai abo ka je tam chi moni abo panda YTN phong to TW phong to TISA phong to ti pramothan phong to chini party structure pyramid system mong to plus bypass ta khelai di chung chen no sonman riye chung systematic babe from grassroots level onwards ward wise jemon ta Maharaj sub zonal level se party committee khana inke sub zonal level unke je what is according to my view go to sub zonal wise no problem VC wise so ward wise primary committee jodi se gothon wa singke grassroots wo yaru ro ke sem phang ke sem dei bang ke sem blai bang nai thai nai abo pandawo sini ward wise jodi se sini primary committee khe ha inke tre chawano yang ke mahayo abo pandawo jang basai tonga time to 10 minute sengke batasa laktana chung Maharaj tongko sini LOP tongko tre BK sar song tongko party ni constitution layout nai rule and regulation chung joto khnaye sini miya samo tini paunema mkha phujunga angka chaya angskam bosaka 16 tarik January buboko masaka miya samo tin paunema mkha pe prumang ka chaya tini Maharaj ja sawo sini hogra je sawo abono chum kha chuye in practical philo chung abo samo tangma ke bethake chanai inke atre ki hang ka bobongla rum chuo suppose rom de for example sini takarjola just example takarjola ni EM by MDC by MLA phongto te kuha constitution thang interfere ta kheto boy humble request tongnai angle I am against groupism na groupism jibon khatung ya I am against politics bide politics nimsio politics thungkela angle abule cha ya suja ko abale pandawo ti pramothai thansa chini ideology equality respect for all abo ma tongnai aini no khongwo aini constitution aini next time jodi se chance mai ba chakeba ang de pass onai fail duna abo bain slip dana abon baya ang no sujug ria to aini constitution breke sajai nai abo pandawo tre koha constitution thang interfere khema ni tonglai hasingke chawa no yang ke ma hiyo inke ti pramo chini Maharaj product Kishore bini ke good quality ma he is a man for all bung joton by equal joto he embrace to everyone bini do ka wo joton phai kaham amo pandawo tre ke Maharaj no bang request khemchu we should never allow anyone meeting you single now tamo hi angke chungo ang saisung thang Maharaj de pusur malaika o bai atibu ai doli batam thang salai khasido sababe abo sondeho phaimayo sini o te bai sapna sa hai doli tam salai ka bubagrai bro saisung salai ka ble pusur puchung khnali khorang toya ke samo kau hungke abo kau munam se haya de khorang loud wo samo ke tut pus salai mo ke kau si hiu tung ke riang ke abo jibon abo kau kaham umaya abo mai Maharaj I humbly request you whenever you come from Delhi or London or from Asman say anywhere when you come after 1 month or 2 months trip please call all of us and meet openly khulam sadi will be very much satisfied otherwise what will happen suspicion will come suspicion phainai aroba phona badoli bathang rang de la tong khabu bang thiya te masa no koni ko ba deboji pho sondeho khenai haya de yes or no yes abong pando jori chubu bagra manek maha bagra we are all his kids we are all his organs of his body and get to equal love nangnai yes we need equal love equal treatment equal opportunity equal respect this is what we expect from you Maharaj and trekang samchuo we should never regret of what we have done ang aini parabo sawo from grassroots is the president sub-zonal is chairman VC is chairman think you are Maharaj product Kishore think you are EM Doli Riang think you are LOP Onimes Debama think you are Bikerang Call the promoter and president and think in that way and work abaka tu ye samong tani ang no bubagra ang no EM ang no president ni tu ye nini daito nini pot no tu ye respect yourself nini pot no respect ye daito palon khan ke ti pramota solid ti pramota na all ti prasaro 13 lokho ti prasa all will be ti pramota abo pandawo bonai ka bomong tong nai takuram khuro tre ke hain ke Maharaj sanai kobru my dear brothers and sisters let us sini mainwo kobru bono to ye hot discussion takedi jesu kok borok romance kriya mahaskri be pongto riang ni kau recognition pongto ini purthi bioni ni tong thai stir growing ke that is nothing my dear brothers and sisters apuni pandawo nini tong thai thiring ke automatic nin kau phainai ang puila ini kau sanmang tam mangnai ang hasaka sa inang nani blana yes or no ang kau sana inke first I should be born on this earth amuni bohuk to yang achai nang nai erpore ai ni jokhon sokpai nai ang manai hingnai kau sanis nungnai that means I ni first tamo tongnai hasaka ang ma sai granai abuni wa pandawo nini kau sanman bo ye nini culture protection khenman bo ye nini religion protection khenma pandawo ti pramotha is always welcoming ti pramotha is a platform ti pramotha Maharaj will protect every community's language Maharaj will protect every community's culture Maharaj is equal for everyone aboni wa pandawo poila wa chini ma chini stai chini tong thaino chung thir khemala nai yes or no yes abon pandawo bosu nangle tre sanai angle bang ko phumai jaya patin ko ro samchu ya asu sarung ya kau ang baye ang je samonim siyo kromo dera ma to han kita khuro khoma khedi ai bi doli samo chaha hinke bale thang ya bo kau no noni filo apply khedi abong ke chung chalai nai bosu sanai ko bomong laru ye ai korono pairi ha ti prasa yu lotho ti pramotha yu lotho greater ti pralen khai no minus to khak cha jotono